Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add user data to the Heinemann application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on Profile, which is the third option, and click on the first option, User Data. Here you can find the login information where you can change your password and you can add customer information. If you tap on this Change Customer Information section, you can add your title, then your name, the company or additional address, including your street number, zip code, city, and the country as well. Here you can set your date of birth, country code, and phone number, and basically that's it. So after adding all this information, just tap on this button in the upper left corner and everything will be changed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.